This video from Sharp, we're taking a quick look at an error message you can get on your XEA137 register when you're trying to back up your sales data to an SD card. If you attempt the report backup and you get an error message XE-A137 or XE-A137 print out on the till receipt, it simply means that the SD card's not loaded. So in order to run the report, clear the error message and make sure that your formatted SD card is loaded into the SD slot at the side of the machine. Then when you run the report again, you'll get the SD access message instead of the error message, and the report will be backed up to the SD card. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA137. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.